What do you want? Attention? Attention. They did the call this swing. Kailan yung Periotics na gumagawa parang yung magkakaiba sila ng swing, contrasting swing. Ay, hindi pala contrast. Sa'yo pala. Man, I'm getting amazed with Ken, no? Yung mga kanta na mga ganito, na ina-expect ko na paano kaya kakantahin to ni Ken. Is mga bagay sa boses niya? What the hell? Wow. Suave. I mean, come on. Look at this. Di ba kumakanta si Ken? Di ba? Ang lalim nung ganun niya, no? Pero parang hindi na nababasag yung vocals, no? One of the best thing about watching SB19, no? Live. Alam mo na kahit gaano sila kalikot, no? You will hear the vocals. You will hear them singing. You just want it. What are you doing? Hey. No? Hindi ko na-expect na sobrang bagay kay Ken yung kanta. Hey. I know from the start. Hey. Hey. Grabe naman yun. Come on, man. They are nailing the covers, no?